You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this beautiful name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that are confusing even more than this one, stay tuned. This is from Old English and Welsh origin, and it's simply pronounced in English as Brynlee. Yes, it does combine the names Bryn and Lee, meaning burned clearing. Brynlee. Easy once you know how to pronounce Brynlee, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.